Alright, so you guys know I picked up the gas tank for the CRF230 and finally found a few free minutes, so we're going to go ahead and put the tank on. And I can't remember exactly how loud it is without the muffler. I'm debating on if it's going to be rideable or not. May have some old mufflers over here I can mess with to see if they'll just work temporarily and not have to spend $100 right this moment. Not sure. And I'm also going to put on a new air filter and some new red grips. So yeah, love to have this, be able to officially add this thing to the fleet and have it running. Alright guys, so CRF230 here. How we know the float is sticking. Okay, the gas is on, the bike is off. It was running a second ago, and it's still dripping fuel out of the bottom. See it pour? Now, a lot of times, you can just tap on your carb, on your bowl right there, with the end of your screwdriver, and that'll unstick the float. For this, it's not working, so I'm gonna have to loosen up the carb boots, twist the carb, pull the bowl off, and just kind of manually inspect the float, make sure it's working right. Could be in a bind, or it could just have some gunk and stuff in there. This bike's been sitting for a while, and yeah, we're gonna get this thing unstuck. Alright, so the good news is the tank I bought works and it doesn't leak. And it seems like it's gonna mount up okay, but it's clearly off a newer model 230 because the shrouds just don't mount up. This one's only got one bolt here. This one's got two. So I think this is off the newer model, which is good because I wanted to put the newer model shrouds on this bike anyway. So that works out perfect. I just can't run shrouds right this second. But yeah, I was pumped. The bike started right up. It's very loud. I rode it around. It's very loud when you let off the gas. It's super raspy because it has no silencer. So I'm going to have to break down and spend $100 on the eBay silencer. Also, the clutch is kind of funky, and I tried to adjust it, and the adjuster's broke. I don't know if you can see it, but it's completely broke right there. So I'm going to see if I have another two-stroke. That's like a standard two-stroke Perch, and I'm going to see if I have one of those and I can just make this lever work. A breakaway. I'm going to hold off on the grips right now, at least until I'm done working on it, because I'll just stain the red grips pretty easy. But yeah, it needs the fork seals done. The front tire's not beat up, but I've got air in it, it's holding air. So only problem I have is the float sticking, and I don't know if that's because it's been sitting without gas in it for so long because the tank was leaking. I don't know. I may have to pull this bowl back off here and check the float. I would like to ride it just a tad more and see if it fixes itself, but that's probably a long shot. But next we'll be changing the oil, and then probably shortly after that we'll do fork seals. But I gotta get some shrouds coming in here for it too. So yeah, just happy we made some progress on it, man. Pumped.